What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. For those who are interested in increasing your credit, repairing your credit, deleting collection accounts, just anything when it comes to the subject of credit, definitely consider subscribing to the channel, as you're going to gain a lot of value and a lot of information to help you succeed in the long run. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I avoid paying interest on my credit card and credit cards in general. I refuse to give money to the banks because they're already filthy rich. So the first thing that I personally do is that I need to find out what my billing period is. And the way it's very easy to find this, you can find them on a statement, or if you log into your app, it's going to show you on your, it's like, look for the PDF version of where it says your payment due, and it should be on the top left or right hand corner. It varies depending on the company. So in this case, for demonstration purposes, my billing period is October 25th and it ends November 24th. My due date is on the 21st of December. Now, what I do, because I'm very responsible and I'm very disciplined when it comes to my finances, is I don't just swipe my credit card and then look at the balance. Like, I know exactly what I'm buying, how much it is, and I keep track of my own finances that way. So I personally, whatever I purchase on October 25th through November 24th, I know exactly how much I spent and what I spent it. So what I do is that on the 24th of November, I actually pay my whole credit card in full. Obviously there's a few reasons why I do this. One is because I want, when the credit card company reports my balance to the credit bureaus, this is the closing date. They are generating the information so they can send to the credit bureaus. And what I do is that I beat them to the punch on the 24th when I make a payment. So when they go to report my information to the credit bureaus, it's going to show a balance of 0. Therefore, my score is not going to decrease because I'm not carrying any balance whatsoever. And again, I do this mainly not because I wanted to report to the credit bureaus, but I do this mainly because I do not want to pay any interest on any of my credit cards. So we all have a 30-day window. You just have to make sure you're making your payments on or right before that 30-day window finishes. That way they don't calculate your balance, because credit card interest charges you on daily balances. Now, another cool thing that's going to happen is that when my due date comes on December 21st, it's going to give me a due date of $0. Because why? Because I beat them to the punch and I already made a payment in November 24th. Now, these dates are going to change. So my next billing cycle is going to be 11/25 through December 24th. And now I do the same thing over and over. I calculate what I'm spending throughout this 30-day window, and I make a payment on the 24th or before. Sometimes I even do it on the 23rd. Again, I am very disciplined when it comes to my finances, and I definitely do not want to pay interest on, to these banks when there's no need to. I have the money, and if you are using a credit card like I teach, you should be using a credit card like a debit card. So there's no reason why you should be overspending or not have that money to pay your credit card in full. Now, this is, there's not much to it. It's not really a secret sauce. This is exactly what I do to never pay interest on any of my credit cards. Again, the key components is you need to find your billing period. Find out what your open date and your closing date, and then what your due date. And that's it. Once you find those numbers and you track your finances, you never pay any interest on any credit card. And the great thing about this is that if you've been following me for a while, unless you live under a rock, you know that you're gonna make money by using your credit cards, because they give you an incentives by either points, cash back, travel rewards, whatever it is, just by using your credit card. And again, just a quick reminder, if you continue to using your debit card, you get no rewards, and there's no paper trail, there's no relationship built with any bank. So just something to keep in the back of your mind. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys find value in any of my videos, hit the subscribe button, hit the like notification. It really does support the channel, and I would truly appreciate it. If you'd like to see more videos like this, consider subscribing. It keeps me motivated. I see that other people are interested in this topic as well, and not just me because I'm a credit nerd or whatever. But hope you gain value. I'll see you guys in the next video.